A lot of people think the law of attraction is just sitting around and just wishing on things and hoping for things to come to them. And that's why it just might not work for some people. That's why today's video, I want to break down step by step the law of attraction and how to properly use it so it can work together for the good. Man, what's good, YouTube? Y'all, it's your boy Reese in the Cut. I'm back with y'all with another video today, man. And as you guys can tell by the title of the video, man, we're going to be talking about the law of attraction and how to properly use it. So our goal is to hit 30,000 subscribers, man. That is a perfect example. That is the law of attraction. You know what I'm saying? That is going to be one of the steps. Basically, just putting it out there and putting out to the universe a goal and a vision that you're trying to see, because I can see ourselves with 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you guys can help me pursue that, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel, bro, and make sure you guys drop a goal down in the comment section. Drop down your vision. I want to see you guys' visions and see if you guys can hit them by the end of the year or whenever you're trying to hit them. Share it with, this is a family. Come on here, share what you guys got, you know. So further ado, man, let's get straight to the video, man. So look, basically the law of attraction, it's just so powerful if you know how to use it right. I've seen mindsets shift with my own eyes, bro, and I am a witness to it. I'm a person, I am a living witness of the law of attraction. If you, like I said, if you properly use it. So I'm going to be giving you guys step by step. So first off, what is the first step to the law of attraction? First off, it's seeing that vision clearly. Your vision has to be clear. You know what I'm saying? Basically, why do your vision have to be clear? Because a lot of people wish for a lot of things. A lot of people want a lot of things. Every single day. They may say, I want this, I want that. But some people, they never stick to that clear vision, and that's why it probably does not go all the way through. So when you want a certain lifestyle or you want a certain goal, you gotta be so specific. You gotta put it out to the universe specifically. What do you want to do? So for example, let's say, but not instead of just saying like, oh, I want money, right? Say I want to earn 5 to 10. What's up, man? All right, go ahead. Let me teach, man. So instead of just saying I want money, say I want to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month on a specific business, or on my personal business, on my personal brand, or I want a job that pays me $100,000 a year. I want to go into this job field or this career field that pays me $100,000 a year plus 6 figures. That's being specific. Anybody can ask for money. We all want money every day. People want money all the time. People ask for money all the time. But be specific. What are you going to earn this money through? What do you want to earn this money through? You know what I'm saying? How are you going to gain this compensation? What are you going to do for this compensation? You know what I'm saying? You willing to put in the hours? You willing to put in the hard work? What are you willing to do? And be so specific, right? So that's step one, which leads me to step two. Why you have so step one, since you have to make that vision so clear, it has to emotionally align with the vision, right? Because a lot of people, okay, you can have a vision and it can be clear, but do you feel it? Do you truly feel inside that this vision is for you? And that's what's gonna make the vision start to become true, because you attract what you feel. If no one has never told you that, you attract what you feel. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like you can't do something, or you feel like something is not for you, then it's not for you. If you feel like that is something, this is life or death. If I don't get this done, if I don't do this, it's life or death. Then that's how you feel. And 9 times out of 10, and if you're willing to put in the work, put in the hard hours, you're gonna go get it. And that's just simple as that. And that's the power of law of attraction. Seeing the vision clearly and feeling it like, just, man, this is my destiny. This is what I'm put on the earth to do. This is my passion. I gotta go all in for it. And that's what makes the reason so valuable. So then when you have those tough days, when I want to give up, I'm not giving up. I'm standing on my word. I want this so bad. And that's what the law of attraction, that's why the law of attraction is so powerful. That's what I'm trying to get you guys to realize in this video. Right? So that leads me to step 3. Reprogram your mind. In today's society, a lot of people, they're going to try to break you down. You know what I'm saying? You who probably watching this video, you probably got a goal, you probably got a dream or a vision to accomplish that. It may seem untouchable. It may seem unreachable. It's gonna be a lot of people nowadays. They tell you a lot of things. They tell you, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. It is up to you. It is up to you as an individual to unprogram your mind from the norm and to see that vision. So your vision so you can stay clearly, so you can continue to feel that vision and continue to see that vision clearly. It's up to you. You know what I'm saying? Replace the limited beliefs. You know, tell God, I rebuke anybody who's coming in between my vision, my dreams, my goals. That's what you got to do. That's what you want to do, right? You know what I'm saying? It's basically telling you are telling yourself that I am more capable of living an average life. I am more capable, I'm more worthy of abundance. Abundance is basically like there's no limit on how much money I can make, the lifestyle I want to live, and my goals, they're obtainable. They're reachable no matter how big they are. That is abundance. Tell yourself that I am worthy of abundance. You know what I'm saying? Which leads me to my fourth step. You gotta take action, bro. The law of attraction isn't passive. You must take steps when opportunities appear. Once you see that opportunity, bro, okay, so once you take the first step, you see the vision, you got it clearly. You feel in your mind that this is what's for me. You not accepting nothing else. You done blocked everybody out. You done made up your mind that this is the goal that I want, and this is where I'm going in my life, right? You gotta go get it. So once you gonna start to see those opportunities. Trust me, you gonna see those signs. You gonna see when to take opportunity and when not to take opportunity. But really, you should be taking every opportunity that jumps out at you, and that is the law of attraction. Because the law of attraction doesn't work unless you work for it as well. You know what I'm saying? We can wish and hope on a star all we want, but if we're not willing to put in the work and willing to take the opportunities that's right in front of us, whether they're small or big, it won't work. So, you know what I'm saying? Take the opportunities, which leads me to my last step. Step number 5, detach and trust. You have to trust it. You have to trust your vision. You have to feel it no matter what. Never give up. As soon as you give up, you already lost. A wise man once said, there's 2 options. You have 2 options. When you give up, it's never going to happen. That's the realization of giving up. It's never going to happen. But if you keep going, there's a possibility that it may just happen. And in order to keep it a possibility, never give up. Never get you're going to get demotivated, but never give up. Never lose track of the vision. Never let the vision get blurry. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have some bumps in the road. You're going to have some cracks in the road, bro. But keep that possibility. Once you give up, there's no more possibilities. And that's the hard reality that you're going to have to face. If you give up, there's nothing left. There's nothing left for you. You keep going, there's a possibility every single day. Like me, I don't get the most views. I don't get, you know what I'm saying? But there's a possibility. Every time I come on this channel, it's a possibility that I may hit a major video. I may go viral. I may do this. I may gain 100,000 subscribers through one. There's a possibility. And that's the type of mindset that you want to keep. You want to keep that mindset that there's always a possibility, even if it's not working out. You know what I'm saying? So if you take all 5 of those steps, the law of attraction is obtainable. It almost has to give you what you want. You know what I'm saying? Put it out to the universe. Be so delusional about your vision, the world has to give it to you. Stay so vivid and clearly of the vision that the world has to give it to you. When you feel something, when you got that gut feeling, bro, you chase that dream. You keep going for that dream. You don't stop. You don't give up. Keep those possibilities alive. Keep hope alive. You got to keep hope alive. Once you give up, bro, it's over with. You know what I'm saying? For example, I want to give you guys a great example. I'm not sure if you guys know the actor Jim Carrey, right? From Dumb and Dumber. This is the power of the law of attraction. This is the power of it, right? Before he even got on and got rich, he wrote himself a $10 million check. A $10 million check. He didn't know that he was capable of making $10 million until after he filmed the movie Dumber and Dumber. That's what he was paid. That's crazy, right? That is the power of law of attraction. It's like you got to throw that vision out there before you even have it. It's like you're being delusional, but in a good way. You know what I'm saying? You got to throw it out there, and like if you got a YouTube channel, you got to treat your YouTube channel like you got 100,000 subscribers. You gotta, because you don't know if you're gonna hit 100,000 subscribers, but it's the fact that you putting it out there, you believe in it. Man, this man literally, bro, that's a testimony, bro. He wrote himself a $10 million check. He did not know that he was gonna get paid $10 million from the movie. And that's what he got. And that's the power of law of attraction. So with that being said, I hope I can motivate and inspire you guys today. If you follow those 5 steps and really chase your dreams, never give up, the law of attraction is a powerful, powerful way to gain success and to gain the lifestyle that you always wanted. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all know I love this. Y'all know I'm be back with more content. Hey,